Welcome to the Home Suite video tutorial series. In this video, we'll cover how to navigate leads and create searches. We'll start off on the CRM dashboard and click the hamburger menu in the upper right corner. Then we'll click on the CRM icon. When the page loads, all of your leads will display and you can choose which one you'd like to work with. We'll go ahead and choose one and click Show More in the lower right corner of the lead box. The box will expand and display details about your lead, like which groups it has been assigned to. We'll actually cover creating groups and assigning leads to them in a future video. You can also see the lead's contact information and even text them directly from the CRM. The top right corner of the lead box is where you can keep track of all the communication you've had with your leads. Finally, the group of pictures in the lead box shows you the homes your leads have inquired about, requested a showing for, favorited, and viewed. There's even an option where you can recommend listings to your lead. However, there's also another way to suggest listings to them, and that's by creating a custom search and sending it to them. We'll go over how to do that a little later in this video. Next, let's take a look at the three icons at the top of the page a little closer. They allow you to interact with your leads in different ways. The first is the action mode icon. The second is the lead filter icon, and the final one is the What's Next icon. Now that we know what they are, let's learn more about what they can do. The What's Next icon alerts you to the next steps in your action plan you need to take with your leads, like calling, texting, or emailing them. If you have no pending actions to take, it will also let you know that you're all caught up. Clicking the Filter Leads icon allows you to narrow down and sort the leads you view using more than 20 different criteria points. Finally, clicking the action icon enables you to select leads you want to work with. You have the option to select one, multiple, or all of your leads and apply a bulk action to them. You can assign them to groups by selecting which group you want and clicking Add to Group. You can also send out a bulk email message to one or more recipients by clicking the email icon. In the email form, you have several options for how to send your message. Start by entering a subject line and filling out the message field. You may choose to manually enter a message, but you can also choose from a library of pre-written messages created for specific uses depending on the recipient. In this case, we've chosen a message that introduces your COI to the new kansascityhomes.com website. If you'd like to make your message look more visually appealing, you can apply a pre-designed template to it. We have several to choose from, including a plain logo one, a basic one that looks like a regular email, one that showcases our Alexa home search skill, one with a Kansas City skyline, our white logo on a green background, and our green logo on a lifestyle photo. If you wish, you can also upload an attachment in the email. When you're happy with your message's content and appearance, just click Send and it's on its way to your leads. Earlier in this video, we told you about creating a custom search for your leads as a way of recommending listings to them. Here's how you can do that. On the Leads menu of your CRM, click on a lead to load their details. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and click the tab that says Search, and then click Create New Search. This will load the kansascityhomes.com search page. If you scroll down a little, you can confirm that you are creating a search for your client. Back at the top of the page, we can begin our search. Let's start off by entering the city we want to search for homes in. Once we've selected the city, we're going to click on More Options. From here, we can define the criteria for homes in our search. We'll set our minimum and maximum price, then select the number of bedrooms and bathrooms we want, and click Find Your Home. When the page reloads, it will display the results of your custom search. To share these recommended homes with your lead, scroll back to the top and click Save Search. A window will pop up where you can name your search and choose how often your lead will receive email updates with new listings that match the search you created for them. Click Save Search one last time and your recommended listings will be delivered to your lead. That's all you need to know about navigating, sorting, and messaging leads in your CRM. If you have additional questions, please contact HomeSuite at kansascityhomes.com. Thanks for watching.